Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market. Okay, so in this video, I'll be teaching you a new intraday trading strategy for Nifty and Bank Nifty future. Okay, so this strategy you require no indicators and this is based on a formula base. Okay, so this strategy is based on formula and you don't need any indicators. For this, we'll be using 15 minutes candle chart. Okay, so only 15 minutes normal candlestick chart and no other indicators. I'll be explaining you the formula and also I'll be giving the Excel sheet along with this strategy. Okay, so it is very simple. You need to watch this video more than one time if you still don't understand it at first. Okay, so until you understand, you can watch this video again and again so that you will understand this formula clearly. Okay, so watch this video till the end so that you will get this strategy very clearly. I'll be explaining you with the examples also, and as I said you, this strategy will be working for both Nifty future and also for the Bank Nifty future. So I'll be telling you what is the target and stop loss for this strategy and also when to use and when not to use. Even that I'll be mentioning in this video. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, and before that, if you like the content of my channel, a subscribe to this channel will be amazing. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the earning proof here in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. You can see all the latest and recent earning proof here, and if you guys are interested to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you one consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. So just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the strategy itself. Okay, so now let me tell you the formula first and then I'll explain you the strategy with the examples. Okay, so guys, this is the formula what you need to observe. That is, previous day last 15 minutes candle closing price minus the next day opening price. Okay, so all these things should be seen in 15 minutes candle chart, so remember that. Okay, so previous day last 15 minutes candle closing price you need to take and subtract it by the next day opening price. Okay, so next day opening price you have to subtract and then you'll get an answer like 20, 13, you'll get an answer. So that answer what you get should be added to the next day 15 minutes candle high, and what the answer you get is the buying level, and to know the selling level you have to subtract the answer by the 15 minutes candle low. Okay, so hope you got the formula. Okay, if you're not yet got the formula properly, I said you again, you can rewind the video and watch it again until you understand. Okay, this is the formula, don't worry, I've made an Excel sheet for you which is easy, and now I'll be explaining you with some of the examples so that you'll get the strategy easily. Okay, so now let's assume you have to trade on 15th of January. So if you want to trade on 15th of January, you need to observe the previous day closing price, last candle's closing price, that is on 14th. Okay, on 14th, the 315 candle closing price. After the market is closed, you have to see the closing price. This closing price can be seen here. Okay, as you can see, O means open, C means close. Okay, so O means opening price, C is closing price, H means high, and L means low of a candle. So here you have to observe the closing price. So closing price is 1463. So in this Excel sheet, I will be giving this Excel sheet. Okay, so you can use this. So here you can see the closing price here. 14632 is the closing price. So I have typed here, this is the previous candle closing price, 14632. Now what you have to do is you have to enter the next day opening price. So you have to subtract it. So the subtracting number is, that is the next day opening price, as you can see here, 14605, 14,605 is the opening price. So we'll add it here, and once you add the value here, you get the answer 27. So previous day candle closing price minus the next day opening, so you'll get the answer as 27. So this 27 value should be added to this candle high. Okay, so let me just draw it. So, and to get the selling value, you have to subtract to this candle low. Got it? So now this Excel sheet will tell you where is the buy level and the sell level. Okay, so this is the high, 14622 was a high of this candle, so I've entered. You can leave the decimal. As you can see, 14622.8 is a high, so you can ignore the decimal, no issues. And low is 14575. Low is 14575. I have already entered here. Okay, now it is telling buy at 14649 and sell at 14548. Okay, so as you can see, it didn't go higher than this 15 minutes candle high, so it's not a buy, so it's a sell. So let's see how it has performed. So let me draw where the sell it has been set. So sell is at 14548, 14548. So 14548. So here, so this line where I have drawn here is a selling point. So once you short sold it, as you can see, the whole day Nifty was falling down. Okay, as you can see, it straightly fell down all the way, and that line was a resistance for the whole day, if you guys can observe. And now you are asking what is the target and stop loss you need to keep. So you can keep a target up to 30 to 60 points. Okay, and the stop loss is off of it. For example, if you're keeping 60 points target, you can keep 30 or 35 points as a stop loss. Got it? And if you're keeping 30 points target, you can keep 15 to 20 points as a stop loss. Okay, so sometimes keeping a little bit more stop loss will be helpful, because due to high volatility your 15 or 20 point stop loss will be hit. So keep like 30 points like that. Okay, that will be safe. And also, as you can see, the performance of that day was very good. Okay, so this was a one day example. Now let me show you the next day example so that you will understand more clearly. So yes, if I have to trade out 14th, you'll see the 13th candle closing price of the 315. So yes, closing price is 14591. 14591 I have entered, and the open will be 14580 for the next day, 14580. And guys, don't see the closing price or the opening price in the market depth. The values will be different sometime, and don't get confused by that. So always see it by 15 minutes candle. Okay, and once you see it by 50, once the first 15 minutes candle is complete, then only you can mark the high and low and then continue with the strategy. Okay, so I marked it, and the answer was 11, and the high is 14590, 14551 was a low, buy is 14601, and short sell is 14540. So let's see where it has gone. Okay, 14540. So yes, 14540 sell, and the buy would be 14601. So 14601 is a buying level. Okay, so I marked both the buying and selling level, as you guys can see here. So yes, short sell almost 30 points target as achieved here. Okay, in the sell side, and on the next, if you can see here, again the buy side was triggered and it went all the way up. Okay, so both the buy side sell side target was given that day. So these are the strategies working, and the same formula can be applied for the bank nifty also. Okay, even for that I have calculated the levels here, guys. And one more thing, sometimes when you calculate like this, you get minus 54 or minus as an answer, so that minus should be ignored at that time, okay, because that will give you wrong buying and sell level. At that time you just delete the value and enter the value manually, okay. It should not be minus 64 or any symbol like that, okay. So minus into minus is a plus, so that should not happen here, okay. So when you get a minus symbol or anything like that in the Excel sheet, so just remove that symbol, okay, because the buying level and the selling level value what it comes will be wrong. So remove that mathematical symbol, and then you'll get a proper buying and selling levels, okay. So now let me show you one example for the bank nifty here. 32706 was a previous day candle, so I'm showing this for 15th, so I'm taking 14th closing price, okay. 32706 is a closing price. 32706 I have entered, and the next day opening price is 32600. 32600 I have entered, and the answer will be 106 here. And high and low level, I of a first 15 minutes candle and the low of the first 15 minutes candle I've already entered here. So buy will be 32709 and the sell will be 32389, okay. So as you can see, 15 minutes candle high didn't trigger, so the sell was around 32389. 32389. So here somewhere around here the short sell has been triggered, and as you can see it fell all the way down. Even for bank nifty and nifty, you can keep a target up to 150 to 200 points, which will be safe and easy, okay, and the stop loss can be off of it. And now I'll be telling you when you should not use this strategy, okay. You should not use this strategy when you get the answer above 60 for nifty futures trading, okay. When you get the answer above 60, you should not trade for nifty futures. And for trading in bank nifty, when you get answer above 150, you should not trade, okay. So answer above 150 in bank nifty should be ignored on that day. Don't use this formula based trading strategy. When you get answer above 60 or 65 for nifty, don't use this formula based strategy, okay. So these are the time when you should avoid the strategy. So this is a strategy. If you guys like this strategy, do give a like for this video and share this video. And if you're not a subscribe to my channel, do subscribe to my channel for more learning videos and educational videos which I'll be guiding you, okay. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us. You can join my course today. I'll be teaching you more accurate strategies in my course, and I'll be teaching you personally on how to make consistent profit in intraday trading. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.